Hi there, Shingirai here again with another update on portfolio performance over the past week. On a quarter-to-date basis, 1 out of 5 of the CBAM portfolios has outperformed with respective benchmark, and we've seen here portfolio 5 returning 5.75%, whilst portfolio 1v2 has returned 2.18%. In terms of attribution to performance, we continue to see this rotation into smaller and mid-cap companies, and the US smaller companies position returning about 14%, whilst the mid-cap S&P 400 position returning about 13%. And even in the UK equity markets, the mid-cap story continues, where we've seen the FTSE 250 returning about 12% on the quarter-to-date basis. We'd also see some outperformance in mid-cap and UK high yield, alongside 91 Global Energy, which has been up about 20% on a quarter-to-date basis. Moving on to performance detractors, 91 Global Gold and iShares Physical Gold down 16.5 and 19.82% respectively, and that would really hurt portfolios 3 to 5 in terms of performance versus benchmark, as we currently hold overweight positions with regards to gold and physical gold. Corporate US dollar denominated debt has also been down about 1.5% on a quarter-to-date basis, and that would see some weakness again in portfolios 2 to portfolios 4. On a year-to-date basis, in terms of portfolio returns, portfolio 1 returns 4.74%, and portfolio 4v2 returned 2.55%. The narrative here continues on a year-to-date basis, where we see some strong performance north of 15% for 91 Global Gold and iShares Physical Gold returning north of 15% on a year-to-date basis, whilst Artemis US has returned more than 12%, and S&P 500 alongside high yield and Japanese equity up more than 10%, which would affect the higher risk portfolios 3 to 5, which holds slight underweight with regards to Japanese equity. Finally, in terms of performance detractors, the FTSE UK 100 and the mid-cap FTSE 250 also down more than 11%, alongside Vanguard, which is down about 9.7%, and UK smaller companies have also seen some weakness as the narrative for UK equity continues on a year-to-date basis.